ये फोन करला से जो माउसी तो पुओ फोन करथिले मना को ना चाहिए बोले
And they are talking about the state. Even after the matter of 7 subsidiaries with the state bank of India, state bank of India will not be able to stop
हाँ कना भला छन छन कने हाँ जसड़ा रे अब तो सब सामान को कहि देबे
we hope to bring benefit to the people within our country and forcing them to go to the global market is unwarranted. We are talking about the vessels now. Vessel is a place of business.
नहीं देखी तोरे हो ना देखी.
The committee was. The committee said for discussion of the problems of the individual banks. In Europe, there are banks owned by private. In our country, banks owned by the state. Straightforward, they do the real estate business. In India, real estate business is private. Private banks in Europe, they go to the share market. Indian banks are not permitted to go to the share market. Even sometimes go to the share market, but very in a circumvented way, not directly they go. They went to the financial market, you know the banks. How many years have go to the financial market? So their business pattern and our business pattern is radically different. But this government is trying to reverse this. This is what happens. On the other hand, to earn more profit, they are going to outsource the jobs.